Morning, sir.
Good morning. All right, shorts are not appropriate.
Block quote, block quote. And just like that, the judge sets the tone. No nonsense from the start. Even before the case begins, she's reminding everyone that the courtroom isn't casual Friday. First impressions matter here, especially in front of a Texas judge. The end of that WordPress is ended incorrectly.
For the defense, Judge.
Are you Roxanne Bernal?
Yeah,
Defense, have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
I have, Your Honor, and I did, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Bernal, I'm showing you what's entitled application for deferred adjudication or community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
yes, ma'am.
Showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm showing you what's entitled court admonishments. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of possession less than 1 gram? That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail.
Block quote, P. This right here is called a plea admonishment. The judge must make sure the defendant fully understands the deal. It's a safeguard to prevent anyone from claiming later that they didn't know what they were agreeing to. Notice how detailed it gets? That's by law, not optional. Part 2. Paragraph, Part 2. Paragraph, Part 2. In case graphic info unpronounced, wrong or inaccurate. Start from the beginning. In case graphic info unpronounced, unpronouncy. Wait until then.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has, Your Honor.
Do you believe the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty? Court will defer finding you guilty as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor, we are.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Just that the court follow the recommendation, Your Honor, and grant her deferred adjudication.
All right. Do you have any children? What are their ages?
I just had a newborn. He's 4 months, and then I have a 5, a 7, a 9, 11, and 13.
So newborn, 5, 7, 9, 11, and 13.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you employed?
Not at this moment. I'm looking forward.
Just 1 moment off the record. Back on the record. Are you employed?
Not at the moment.
Are your children living with you?
With my mom.
Child Protection Services involved?
With my newborn. Not my mom has the others.
So does your mother have custody of the 5, 7, 9, 11, and 13-year-old? Were your rights terminated?
No, they weren't terminated. I just have partial custody.
Was Child Protective Service involved in the 5, 7, 9, 11, and 13-year-old?
In block
When you're
quote,
drug tested
it's
today, what are the
you can
results going to be?
feel
And you
the
need to be
tension
honest
here.
with me because I'm
The
trying to
judge
figure
isn't
out
just asking
if you can be
questions.
helped or not on
She's peeling
probation.
back layers of a life
Negative.
that's clearly
All right, when's the last time
spiraled.
you used drugs?
Addiction,
February.
custody battles, and survival.
All right, we're
all
going to do a drug
colliding
test
in
today.
a few heartbreaking minutes. But
So,
this also
this is
shows
just a
a
side
core
note.
truth
Why do
about
you
drug court.
continue to have
It's
children
not just about punishment.
knowing
It's about rehabilitation.
that you don't have custody
If
of
the
any of your children
defendant
and that you
truly
have an
wants it.
issue?
Sure.
You're going to have to find out because this is where we're at. In your life, you have all these children. You don't have custody of any of them. You're not employed. And you say you're living with your mom?
No, I'm not living.
Who are you living with?
I just live at a hotel. It's a hotel.
How are you paying for that?
I do side like when I go to labor ready and stuff like that, but nothing something like every day. No.
All right. Hotel to hotel is not going to be stable for your children.
I understand.
And Child Protective Services is not going to give you your children back if you're living from hotel to hotel.
Block quote.
But if your
period.
decision is
S.
you have no
This
plans to do
moment
what you need to
hits
do,
hard. The judge's
then
question,
don't disrupt
why do you
your
keep
children's
having
lives.
children,
Don't keep
isn't
coming back in their
cruelty.
life disappointing
How
them.
many times have we seen
And now
people
you know
repeat
for sure how
cycles they
children are
swore they'd
made
escape?
and where they
Tough
come
love
from.
in this courtroom, but maybe it's the wake-up
So
call
you're not
she
ready to have
needs.
children. You
What
understand?
would you say if you were in her place?
And
Period.
did
End
you
the
receive a
block quote.
CPS plan from CPS?
Yes.
Who is your CPS attorney?
I don't know, right?
I'm just asking, these are things that you should know because that case should, other than this case, that case should be one of the most important cases in your life because it's involving your newborn.
well, I have it, but it's on my phone.
Okay. All right. Anything you want to add, counsel?
No,
So this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to 3 years
A
deferred
block
adjudication.
Block
If she
quote.
completes what she
Deferred
needs to complete for
adjudication.
CPS, of
Sounds
course, she
complicated,
can always come
right?
back and ask
Here's
her
the short version.
for early termination.
She's found guilty.
But that's going to be
but
3
the
years deferred
conviction is
adjudication,
paused.
a
If she
$500
completes her
fine
treatment,
that will be probated,
schooling, and CPS,
CPS
plan,
compliance,
the charge
and
can be
probation.
dismissed.
If you can look
It's
and
basically
see whether or
one
not
last shot
CPS
at
has her
turning
in
life
their
around.
treatment
A
program.
legal lifeline.
If they do not,
But
we're going
if
to do a
she
referral to
slips,
felony drug
it's
court because there was
prison
more than
time.
morphine in that vehicle.
pause. CPS plan charges.
Referral to felony drug court. If felony drug court does not accept her, we're going to do a TAP evaluation, follow TAP recommendations. If TAP recommends inpatient treatment, we'll start with intensive outpatient treatment. Is there a reason why you're not able to get employment?
Just because I'm doing the classes and stuff that they asked me to, so I'm just following up with that.
All right. How far did you go in school?
I graduated.
Okay. All right. Proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. What do you want to do with the rest of your life, career-wise?
Well, I was going to school in the county, but when I had my twins, one passed.
I'm sorry to hear that. So what are your plans now?
I want to go back to school.
Okay. All right. 200 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to want parenting classes. And if CPS, which they should be giving her parenting classes, that can count. And if she completes the parenting classes, I'll waive 40 hours of her community service restitution. And she's going to do trade school or either some higher level of education. If she completes that, the remaining hours will be waived. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There's to be regular UAs. We'll do a UA today to see what's going on. 90 sober meetings in 90 days. Field visits. 1 time per month until further notice. No unsupervised contact with minors. If CPS ends up allowing you to have unsupervised contact, then you can come back here in the court will consider changing that. But for now, there's not to be any unsupervised contact because I know CPS tells you where to have your visits and when. Probation, is there anything else you need? Is there anything else you need from the court? I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes. Yes.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. Ms. Bernal, do not be that parent who only does well when CPS is in your life or the court is in your life.
That
If you
line
have
right
no
there.
intention
Quote
and
it.
you know
Frame
yourself
it.
better than I do,
Remember
your
it.
attorney, or
Don't
even better
only
than your
do well when the
caseworkers of
system is
probation,
watching.
if you
The
have no
judge isn't
intention
just
of
ruling
doing
on a
what needs to
case.
be done
She's
to
delivering
have your
life
children
advice
in your
for
life on a
anyone
permanent
stuck in a
basis and be a
cycle of
permanent positive
self-destruction.
influence on them,
Real talk
you
from
need
the
to just
bench.
let them go.
End of Plocko.
You understand?
End of Plocko.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. May we be excused?
Ms. Bernal, is there anything else you need from the court? All right, good luck to you. Now on the docket, court is calling 2020, on the record, court is calling 2023 CR 3992, State of Texas versus Aaron's David Salazar. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Hank Wilkins for the state, Your Honor.
Defense?
Kelly Piddle.
And are you Aaron David Salazar?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Is there an application in this case?
Nope.
All right. Mr. Salazar, I'm going to show you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Salazar, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments. Did you review that with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it?
Yes.
Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, I did.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of theft under $2,500 enhanced? That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, I did.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, sir.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor, we're just asking for the floor.
All right, Mr. Salazar, why do you not stop stealing?
I was in my phase of life where I was doing drugs, and these 5 months I actually found myself, and you won't see me in here again.
But no, you keep stealing. The reason why this is a state jail felony is because you've stolen 2 times before.
Yes.
So why do you keep stealing? Obviously, 2 things are going on. 1, you're not good at it because you keep getting caught, right?
Yes, ma'am.
2, you have some issues that are going on in your life that is causing you to steal. If it's drugs, there are free places all over San Antonio for you to get help with your drug addictions. If it's something else, if it's, oh, I can't afford this, again, there are free places all over San Antonio to help you with that. If you don't have clothing, there's a free place for you to get clothing. If you don't have food, there's a free place for you to get food. So free clothing, free food, free help with your drug issue. So that eliminates your need to steal. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any children?
I have 8 children.
What are their ages?
They range from 7 to 24.
And you're not supporting them, are you?
No.
Do you plan on being a good father to them or not? Father's Day just passed.
Yes, I do.
And how are you going to do that? What's your plan when you get out of jail?
Get in contact with them first of all.
Well,
We'll get in contact. That's seriously get in contact.
you shouldn't be getting in contact with them first. The first thing you need to do when you get out of Bexar County Jail, because you have a drug issue, is go to a drug treatment facility and tell them you need help. You can't be addicted to drugs, living on the street or whatever you've been doing, and then all of a sudden just out of the blue pop up on your children's doorstep.
So ma'am, I understand.
All right. You've got to now prove yourself to be worthy to be in their life. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Court will sentence you to 159 days in the Bexar County Jail. There's a $500 fine. Time and money will run concurrent. Address the no contact with Walmart.
I think he understands that you cannot have any contact with one minor since the age.
All right. And they do have the super, I think they have the super HEB because some HEBs you go to, they sell clothing. And
Yeah.
I think the one on Bandera actually sells engagement rings. At least they did when I was in law school. So there's to be no contact with Walmart. What is Walmart's answer to Costco?
Sam's Club.
They didn't say
The
Sam's
poor man's
Club.
Costco.
So no contact with Walmart. Is there a dismissal to be tendered to me in
I
701690?
don't know if they, you want me to take that to file? Or do you want to have the judge sign?
Should we email the prosecutors in Nye County Court to do that?
I'll go with
All
that
right,
next.
thank you. All right, I'm showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, off the record, what's up with the white rabbit tattoo?
Oh, I'm an ex-gang member.
Okay. Here's the thing. Some people say they're ex and they're really not. Do not be bringing that drama and trauma to your children's doorstep. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you want to write them a letter, maybe that may be appropriate. If you want to send them some child support money through the mail, that may be appropriate. But until you get your life in order,